how's your... It's going live Monday. It's 8:15 in the morning. I'm gonna be leaving here in a bit. All my stuff's ready. I'm just getting shoes on and stuff. Got the leggings. Got my undershirt to wear under my pads. I did some stuff this morning. I mean, unless the train absolutely F's up my back, things should be relatively okay. Maybe not so much on team. I'll hold off on some, like, I want to have full practice. I don't want to have, like, the beginning and then dick off, so I'm going to try. Yeah. I'm currently having a rain spike. Yes, sir. Oh, that's happening. That'll happen in 15 minutes, sorry. Well, anyways, yeah. Don't forget your mouth guards. I was having, like, terrible things fucking Friday to Saturday night, thinking I was gonna forget all my gear. So, like, I have my water bottle, I have my cleats, my pants, I have my girdle, I have my shoulder pads, I have my helmet. Considering I'm gonna eat afterwards, I don't think I need to worry too terribly much about my gummies. I just pick up a tea. I will see you guys walking out to Hilversum. In Hilversum, walking out to the field, unless it's raining. I'm gonna try to set up the camera to just set up and watch while we do sled stuff, because there's a little low wall there. Last Friday's video up here is when you saw me. I was sitting on that little low wall talking to Frank while we were setting up Oklahoma's. If we go back to that same area for Oklahoma's, then I'll set up the camera if it's not terribly raining. It doesn't look like it's going to be. Most of it passed us, so yeah, it's twisting, but whatever. That's just me being a weirdo. Let's check the one that goes out 24 hours. No, that's Groningen. I don't want Groningen. I want Durgedam. That's fine. Okay, there shows a little bit at like noon to 1, but after that everything's relatively okay. So, I didn't get to sleep well last night. Anxiety. Gee, now that plane got overhead and it wasn't rumbling the very skies above me, I can definitely tell that people have been out here picking at the fruit. Like, there's ripe little things, or there are budding little red ones down there, but like everything that's decently black is picked off. Sometimes I wonder if my teammates even know that this pathway is here. I mean, I know that Denny does, and I know that a couple of the youth players, or at least Sebastian does, because I see them riding their bike down here, going to practice or something. Yeah, so, but like everyone says, like, oh my god, you take the bus? It must be such a long walk to the field. Motherfucker, what? Mikhail had some good times at a quarterback today.
Thank you. I mean, it started slow and rough, but got better over the time.
Yep. Because you were getting some deep balls out to Kevin.
Yeah, that was I'm happy I ran away from you. I was like, okay, he always running after me. I better run.
Yeah. But like the last one near the end when Kevin caught it and like landed, my brain said, you sound like Chekhov from Star Trek 2009 when he got everybody. He's like, yo. He's so happy. I'm like, do all Russians cheer the same way?
I mean, I'm just happy, when it works.
Also, could you stop Russian during warm-ups? Ready, go. Not just, and go. During warm-ups.
Okay.
I'm making a pun.
I mean, it's a heavy...
Rushing versus Russian.
I got it.
Jesus Christ.
I read somewhere that puns is the lowest level of jokes. So, like, if you can avoid them, do. But...
Okay. I was talking to Patrick. He's a... Oh, shit. Should probably go get changed. It's spunky, rainy, and whatnot. Whatever. We got good light right here. So, yeah. There's not much going on. You guys saw all that film. At least I hope we had that film. Yeah, it had to have been. Because when I turned the camera off, it said standby, and then I tipped it forward. But anyways, so yeah. We were doing a lot of team. We had stuff on the stepovers right here. And then we had a downpour. Like a really bad downpour. And then we waited underneath here for a little bit while that happened. Because we all have bow and rudder and bow and alarm. We all know that it was going to last about 5 minutes. And so we all put our pads on and we went out and did team for like the last half of practice. So yeah, I'm going to get changed, socialize, and I'm going to head home. Please comment below what you guys think about what was going on at practice. Literally, if you want to, terrace a new one, go for it. If you think that, we could have done better in some ways, if I could have done better in some ways. Not every one of those reps was the best of mine. But yeah, so we have had a schedule of sorts put out. It's preliminary. But I asked Tim because they're listed 2 home games in October and our field won't be ready for that one. So I asked Tim if that schedule is correct and he's like, no. Like, yeah, our field's not going to be ready by that one. So apparently the Panthers are the ones that are moving up rather than Leiden, and that's fun. If we ever have a home game, if they ever have a home game against us, that's easy to get to because that's just down, I think it's down in Bijlmer. It's in Amsterdam. They're the Amsterdam Panthers. Amstellen Panthers. I don't know what the name of it is, but I did try that team out. It was weird. Link up there to that video if you guys want to see something from 3 years ago when I was trying out teams around here before I settled on Hilversum. But yeah, probably gonna jump out front, have a couple beers if people are doing that sort of thing. I know the girls are still playing softball. That's why I'm not over there filming. But yeah. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for Monday stuff. Toodles.